Dropshipping. What am I gonna do with you? Is dropshipping saturated? Can I make money dropshipping in 2020? Kevin, is dropshipping dead? I'll probably be dead if I get asked any of those questions ever again. But in this video, we're gonna be talking about the hottest, most trending, juiciest form of online business right now, and it's called drop servicing. No, it's not called drop shipping, it's called drop servicing. And if I get one more comment about that, I'm gonna freaking lose it. So you might be wondering how exactly you go about servicing people and making money doing it. Well, that's what you're gonna learn in this video, how to make money by servicing people. And if you've never heard of drop servicing, essentially it's similar to drop shipping, I guess, but instead of selling a product, you're selling a service. So some examples could be a service that a lot of people or businesses need, like graphic design, social media management, building a website, or doing digital marketing. And I'm not necessarily saying you should start a drop servicing business in one of those niches, they're just examples. I am, of course, going to be talking about my number one recommendation when it comes to building a drop servicing business later on in this video. Because when you think about it, there are literally millions of services that people, and more specifically businesses, need every single day to actually go about doing their business. So let's say that one day you're bored and you decide that you want to watch a tutorial for some unknown reason about how to set up a WordPress or Wix website. And you decide that because you now know how to set up a website, that you want to charge businesses money for actually performing that service. Well, there's millions of new restaurants and dentists and lawyers and doctors' offices and real estate agents every single day who actually start those businesses that need people and contractors like you to help them set up those scary websites or do their social media management services or handle their digital marketing for them. And the best part about those businesses needing help with those services is that you can start a drop servicing business and actually get paid to do those services for those businesses. Drop services, wait, carry the one. Another very popular drop service is digital marketing. Every business in the world needs digital marketing, period. Every business needs new and profitable customers into the door, and every business needs to build their online profile so that they can actually reach new people and make their business actually have more profit year to year. And one of my favorite businesses to actually target in this specific regard is real estate agents. Why? Because real estate agents almost always have a budget to pay you to perform basic digital marketing services, and for the most part, real estate agents have absolutely no idea how to even set up very basic ads that take 5 minutes to set up that look like this. And you might be saying to yourself, yeah, Kevin, that sounds great, but where the heck do I actually find these real estate agents that want to pay me to perform this service for them? Well, that is why we built a tool called Many Leads inside of a digital marketing suite of software called Marketer Magic. And how Many Leads works is you can target pretty much any city in the world, and you can find a ton of business owners that are going to be willing to pay you for your services. For example, let's say that we wanted to find all of the real estate agents in the city of Boston. We would type in real estate agents Boston for the campaign name. We're going to type in real estate agent for the keyword, and we're going to type Boston, Massachusetts for the location, and we're going to press show leads. And now Many Leads is going to scan millions and millions of results from all around the web, and it's going to find us over 1,459 total real estate agents in the Boston area. And if we want to, we can actually show 100 entries here, and we can see the name of the real estate agent, their website, their email address, their phone number, their address, and even their social media, where we can then reach out with a very specific template. We can say, hey, I perform these specific services. I'd be happy to show you exactly what I can do for free, right? You offer some free value to get your foot in the door. You can even say things like, would you be able to handle 30 new incoming leads per month of people who want to buy a house? And every real estate agent in their right mind is going to respond to that, of course I could, because it means more money for them. And so by angling your marketing campaign to make them money, they're going to be 100 times more likely to actually respond to you and pay for your services. And if you're saying to yourself, Kevin, this sounds great, but I don't know how the heck to actually do digital marketing, well, like always, your boy gives you every single tool that you need to be successful, because I love you. So we are now inside of my business manager, which is completely free to set up. It is how to actually run Facebook ads. And we're going to set up a very quick campaign. Conversions, we're going to call this real estate agents Boston, and we're going to press continue. Now, how are we going to actually target people that are interested in buying a new house? Well, the way that we're going to do that is we're going to come in here and we're going to edit the location to be Boston, Massachusetts. We're going to erase the USA, right? So now we're only targeting people in Boston because those are the only people that I'm interested in if I actually am a real estate agent in Boston. We're also going to edit the age here because 18-year-olds are not often buying houses. So we're going to actually change this to 26-year-olds, also 65 25+-year-olds often are not buying houses because they already have a house. So we're gonna target people 26 to 34. Gender, we're gonna target all genders. And then for detailed targeting, what we're gonna do is we're gonna enter some things that people are generally interested in if they are interested in buying a house, right? So some of those things are Zillow, for example, because Zillow is one of the best ways that people can find new pieces of real estate on the market. And then we're gonna actually take some suggestions, right? There's Trulia, there's homes.com, house hunting, first time home buyer, property finder, right? And what we can do then is we can actually target people one by one who are interested in these things, right? Property finder, first time buyer, house hunting, homes, right? And that's a very basic tutorial of how to actually go about targeting specific people, saying, hey, what's up? I'm the #1 real estate agent in Boston, Massachusetts. Click the button below to actually schedule your free one-on-one consultation on how to find the best deals in the Boston real estate market, right? And anybody looking for a house who sees that ad on Facebook would be crazy not to actually set up a free 30-minute consultation with your real estate agent, which means you as the drop service provider actually provide results, which means they are going to continue paying you. And then you actually look for more of those 1,500 real estate agents in the Boston area, and you start to make $1,000 a month, $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, or even more actually doing this. And one of the things that I like best about drop servicing is oftentimes you don't even have to be the one who fulfills the service. And what I mean by that is, for example, let's say that you are going out and actually selling Facebook ad services. You can go get somebody to pay you $1,000, $2,000 a month to actually run their Facebook ads, and then you can outsource the actual fulfillment of running those Facebook ads. Even if you don't know how the heck to do Facebook ads, you can hire a company like Vendasta to actually run the ads on your behalf. And so all you're doing is actually going out and finding clients and making sales, and then you use this outsourced company that does nothing but Facebook ads to actually fulfill that service. And so yeah, drop servicing is pretty cool. And the reason is it doesn't take any money to get started, and you can pretty much do this from anywhere in the world as long as you're willing to hustle hard enough. And that's a pretty rare thing when it comes to starting a business. Most businesses take thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars to get started up. If you wanted to open a McDonald's, for example, you have to have $750,000 in liquid assets to even have a conversation about doing that. And you can get started drop servicing completely for free. And obviously I can't cover everything in just this one video, but if you want to learn more about how to start a drop servicing business, and you want all the different ad templates and sales scripts and everything literally that you can copy and paste to start a successful drop servicing business, check out the link down in the description where you can get this all set up for the cost of a couple trips to Starbucks. And if you like this video, do me a huge favor and tap on that little like button, and make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already, but only if you want to, right? I don't like peer pressuring anybody to do anything that they don't want. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, and leave me a comment down below letting me know other ideas that you want to see for my channel, because I still to this day read every single one of your guys' comments because I love you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, peace.